As the snowflakes fall, like flakes of snow that are falling, these are the myths of wintertime. Oh, hello there. I'm Nathan Lorenzen, Vice President of Indiana Storm Chasers. Today, on Fireside Myths, we will be talking about the myth that animals grow thicker fur because it gets cold out. Wrong. So wrong. I'm here to take you to science class and teach you why that myth is a myth to begin with. So let's put on our swimwear and dive right in, shall we? Yes, we shall. Now get ready to raise that skeptical eyebrow. People love to say animals grow thicker fur in winter because it's cold. And it's a cute story, but no, myth. It's actually all about daylight. Shorter days and less sunlight tells their bodies to start fluffing up long before the cold even shows up. Temperature barely gets a vote. So your dog, cat, horse, or even your camera boy named Belvedere isn't some mystical winter oracle. It's just photosensitivity. Biology's just out here playing mind games and making your pet look magical for free. Photoperiodism! So, in other words, it's not the temperature, it's the sunlight. Similar to how leaves change colors. It's not about the temperature, it's all about the days getting shorter, like my temper and all these falsehoods. Gosh, people, go to school. Ugh. So until next time, I'm Nathan Lorenzen. This has been Fireside Myths. Stay warm, stay safe. Don't get twisted, please.